Well, hello and welcome back to another unboxing. We're going to be looking at Moebius's Colonial Viper Mark VII. It's a really nice kit. It's at 1/72 scale. It's really cool. Comes with two ships per kit. So let's take a look. Okay, and here she is. This is the Moebius Battlestar Galactica Viper Mark VII. These are really cool upgrades of the Colonial Viper from the new reboot series. This is similar to the Mark II, where we got two kits, 1/72. Similar, exactly, pretty much similar boxing. Inside, you just got the two ships and that. These are the only things that are different. Back and top are the same. So this box is still in cellophane, so let's cut into her and take a look. Should again be a very high parts count, and pretty much it's a duplicate. And I think I'm going to stick with, just like on the Mark II, these are just going to be non-lit kits, unless this has got something different going on. Oh, that's different. Not one tree. And there's the other one. It definitely made it easier to package and fit in that box a little easier doing it that way. So again, the clear and this one's from, is it the same year? Oh, 2015. So a year later when they released this version. Well, this looks fairly simple. You got here your hull. Now, is this a upper and lower hull, or is this a? I guess we'll open one of these up like we did with the other ones, because I think we'll be safe. And then these are probably for each ship. So it's pretty much probably like this. It's one kit each ship. So it's not a huge parts count. Like I said, in here you got your same exact display stands as the Mark II. Decals are a little less on this ship. You got different pilots again. Apollo, of course, Starbuck, same guys. I still want to know if they just did this in lines, you know? You would think they did, and I bet you they did. Like, if you're picking Apollo, then his registry is that, and that's the different areas you put it on the ship. I don't know if there's that many areas they put them on the ship. Yeah, not a lot of decals like the other one, because there's no real stripings or anything like that. So, and then most of them, there's it's just an off-white color. Oh, it even has the name of the mothership, Pegasus, on it. Galactica Pegasus. They're pretty neat. But yeah, same stands. Where it's just pretty much a triangle with and then this face has a world grid. And then there's that part just snaps in there to hold the ship. And then there's your canopy. And it's just a duplicate of that. Again, a really neat manual, design there, with the corners cut off. I guess it's kind of look like a plaque. And again, there's not a whole lot to light up in the ship itself. I mean, you even see the cockpit from the sheet. There's a seat. We're gonna cut one of these open, but let's just breeze through the manual. Okay, so that's one's the upper and one's the lower. I was wondering if they did like the Mark II, where they gave you two different bottoms for a closed or landing gear or open landing gear. So it looks like these you'll have to close if you want to. Yeah, there's your landing doors. They don't have the open, so their landing doors must have like hid themselves, or did they have like a landing gear door ports? one they want you to cut in forward ones in half. Huh. Wonderful. That must be it right there. Now I wonder if that's for the open version. I think so. Yeah, for the open version. So they're giving you like the back half ones you can just stick in closed, or you can stick down and they'll fold towards the inside of the belly, open. If you want the one that you want the landing gear to stick through on the top, you have to split that. Let's open it up so we can see it better. These are your back ones that go back there. So, yeah, and there's nothing in this cockpit to like at all. So, yeah, we're not doing it. These you can just glue either like that or, you know, closed. This one, if you want closed, you just glue it on like that. If you want open, you gotta split it at that seam and then I guess glue each half in a flappy open position. Kind of hold it and go. Interesting, but that's okay. We're only going to do that to one. I think we'll do the same with this kit. Have one with the landing gear down, and the other would not. Just to show the difference between the two. But that's neat. And yeah, I'll open this one so we can get a little more look at the hull. Very impressed, Moebius. Very impressed. I can't wait to do maybe the bigger version of the Pegasus. But there's the bottom hull. Looks great. The detail on it is amazing. Here's the upper hull. Detail on that's amazing. So she's going to be about this big, which is about my hand size, which we figured I'm sure these are close to the size of the MK2s. So, I mean, there's a little more on the back that's going to happen here, I guess. You got this swoop that comes out here, which will extend it a little more. But that's a fairly decent ship, and I like that. And later on down the road, I might get the 1/32 of this one and the Mark II. But there you have it in a nutshell. Very nice kit. Very well detailed. Moebius is getting into that Bandai quality detail work. Very much appreciated. But yeah, I hope you if you're interested, this is definitely, I definitely recommend it. It is a very nice kit. These won't take up a lot of space, but it's nice that these 1/72 ones, they came with a double kit. And also that's kind of cool because these guys do always fly in pairs, if I remember from the TV show, at least on the classic version. I'm going to try to fold up to get in there. That they always flew in pairs. So there we go. We got it all in there. And these are nice tight boxes, so I'm not worried about those parts. But there she is. I hope you again come back when we actually start the building series. Until then, happy modeling.